So as you can see, I've painted the boards that will make the roof in the van. First thing I need to do is insulate it. I've got some more of the shiny foil stuff that I put in the walls, so I've got some more spray glue as well. So I'm going to stick that to the roof of the van. We've then got some rock wool or similar stuff, which we're going to stuff up there, and we've got to cut all these boards up and make them fit. Right, so like I did in the other video, got me bubble wrap, got my roof, spray adhesive, different one to run out of the other stuff, but found this at work. And all I'm going to do, same as before, cut the foil to fit the strips between the battens in the roof, spray this stuff on, leave it to dry, spray it on there, leave it to dry, stick it on, and then we'll get to that bit. Right, so we've used up what we have left. Around the roof vent, we didn't have enough, so we've left that for now. Not really a big issue, but yeah, bits on there. So that's basically got rid of the leftover. Next plan is obviously get the rock wool up next. We can't do that until we've got something to stuff it up into. We're going to start with a complete piece on this side, work our way along. That should leave if we've calculated right. That should leave a 4 centimetre strip down this side, which will be hidden by the cupboards and the toilet, so it won't upset my OCD. And it also makes life easier for us because it means we haven't got to trim 2 of those boards down to 4 centimetres wide. So we're going to start that side. Right, so I'll show what we've done so far before realising we haven't got the right size screws. We're going to use this batten here as a joining piece, so when we've got the long ones that side. So we've got one of the pieces, we've cut it to size. What are you doing? Oh. There we go, so we've got it to size, drilled holes in for the said screws that we don't have. Yeah, it will just be, I think what we're going to do, because we haven't got time ready to go to B&Q today, we're going to just get loads of these cut up ready. So we know that we've then got to come from there to the front with some other ones. So we're going to get loads cut up for both sides, and like I said, we'll have a long one there and a short one, and then the next piece will be a short one. No, will be a long one here, which will probably come to that batten there where Dad is, and then a short one at the back, and we'll alternate that until we get to where the roof vent is. Couple of them in, as you can see, we got a join here for this one and a join there for that one. At the back we're just coming up to this edge here, and then I will probably get some kind of trim strip, like a T shape, to go in there, glue it in so that none of that moves, although that is tight there anyway. This section here will either carpet line or will be covered in cupboards all the way down. I'm at the point now where I need to put the other layer of insulation in, so we're literally just going to cut it, stuff it in the hole, and then we can put the next one on, put a bit more in, put the next one on, put a bit more in, and then carry on until we get to that side. So the stuff we bought is very thick, as you can see. So what I'm doing is I'm pulling that in half, and then we are just sliding in. It's not tight, it's not packed in as tight as it can go, but it's packed in there enough, I think. Rest of this to go, and we can start screwing that on. The ceiling is in as much as it's going to be for now. I need to leave access for a couple of bits of wiring for the lights and for the roof vent, but it is all together. Really pleased with how it's come out. The surround for the vents in as well. Yeah, it's all insulated as well. Like I said, we've been chucking stuff in, rock wool type stuff up there. Works really well with the colour of the lining. Really pleased with that, actually. Yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like the video. I'll see you next time.